KNT Institute is formed with a intention to provide livelihood skills to the needy people, especially those unemployed youths. We have taken up three objectives. First objective is to create employability amongst the unemployed youths, be it an engineer or be it a commerce graduate or be it any other faculty. Today the need is different and whatever is being provided by the Education Institute is different. That's our belief. If you look at the कंपनी जर आपण पाहिलं किंवा कार्यक्षेत्राकडे जर आपण पाहिलं तर त्यांच्या गरजा वेगळ्या असतात, त्यांच्या अपेक्षा वेगळ्या असतात. आणि हेच जर पाहिलं आपण शैक्षणिक क्षेत्रात, तर शैक्षणिक क्षेत्रामध्ये मूर्ती घडते पण ती मूर्ती फिनिश होत नाही. थिओरिटिकल नॉलेज होतं, बुकिश नॉलेज होतं, पण त्यांना कार्यक्षेत्रात आल्यावर कन्फ्युजन होतं आणि दे आर नॉट एबल टू परफॉर्म. सो वी हॅव टेकन अप द टास्क टू ब्रिज the Education Institute, what they learn in Education Institute, and the actual job situation, be it an industry or be it in a professional or be it in a business. So this is the bridge what we are going to do. We are going to prepare them for the employment. We are going to finish the murti. ती मूर्ती आम्ही फिनिश करून त्यांना प्रेझेंट करणार आहोत so that they can appear for an interview and get selected. The second objective is to create entrepreneurs. छोटे छोटे व्यावसायिक निर्माण करणं. आज सोसायटी वाढते, लोकांच्या गरजा वाढत आहेत, त्यानुसार हे छोटे छोटे उद्योग करणारे त्यांची सुद्धा गरज वाढते. फॉर एक्झाम्पल टेक इलेक्ट्रिशियन, वायरमन और फोटोग्राफर or even a printer, food processing industry, transportation industry, घरगुती वस्तू पोहोचवणारे, घरगुती रिपेअर करणारे, हे जे छोटे छोटे व्यावसायिक आहेत यांची आज खूप गरज वाढते. सो वी हॅव टेकन अप द ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह टू प्रिपेअर अँड क्लिअर their knowledge so that they can start the business. The third objective what we have taken up is for the employed people who are already employed in the industry. Now big industries, they have their own infrastructure for training. They can handle the change situation. Today's situation is changing and post-COVID lot of new skills are required to be developed. For example, digitization. The bigger industries they can do, but that is not the true for the smaller industry. छोट्या छोट्या ज्या कंपन्या आहेत, मी तर म्हणेल इवन अप टू 500-600 crore size companies, they don't have a proper training department. So we have taken up that task and we have created some courses for them so that they are upskilled, their skill is enhanced. For example, CAD/CAM skill, computerization skill, communication skills, or even simple skills like dealing with customers, dealing with suppliers and those kind of things. Today's world is different. It's digitization, work from home, a lot of new skills are required. So we have taken up the task. So these are the three objectives we have taken. Let me repeat. Number one is create the employability, enhance the employability of the unemployed youths. Number two is encourage and skill up the small tradesmen, small businessmen who are required in societies by and large. And number three is for employed people, enhancing in the medium and small scale industries to enhance their skill. These are the three objectives what we have taken up.